Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Towers of Aghasba game sound problem or audio problem. Guys, first solution is restart the PC. Sometimes simple restart fix the problem. So restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Now the second solution is troubleshoot sound settings. So go to your Windows search and type here the troubleshoot sound setting and open it. Then just click on the additional troubleshooters. Then just click on the playing audio. Then just click on the run the troubleshooter. Start detecting problem with your sounds or audio, and if there is any kind of issues, it will give you the option to solve or resolve the problem. So just click on the solve and see if this fix your problem or not. Now if your problem is still not fixed, so the next solution that you can try is check sound output setting. So go to your Windows search and just type here the sound setting and open it. Guys, make sure that your speaker's high definition audio device is selected, and also make sure that your master volume is the 100%, and also make sure that your input device is correctly selected. After all of this setting, launch the game, then check. If this is not the problem, so the next solution is update audio drivers. So go to your Windows search and just type here the device manager and open it. Guys, here you will see the audio input and output. So open it, you will see your speakers high definition audio device. So make a right click on it and go to its update driver. Then click on the search automatically for drivers, and if there is any kind of available update for your high definition audio device, then just update it. Then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Now if you still have the sound or the audio problem, then check in-game audio settings. So make sure that your in-game audio setting is set to default. After all of these settings, just restart the PC and check. And I hope one of these solution feature problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye.